If you want to join the Temu affiliate program, then this is how you're going to do it. So the very first step is to head over to temu.com/affiliate_recruit.html. Or you can also just search for Temu affiliate program. Now you're going to click on the link that allows you that directs you to the affiliate page, and then from there you're just gonna click on join now right here in the big orange button. Now we're gonna head over and click the join now button, and then from here you're just gonna sign in or register. So I'm gonna enter my email address right here. I'm gonna hit on continue, and then from there you're just gonna enter a password. So I'm gonna do this off cam. Now, once you're done with creating your account and verifying that account, you're gonna select a channel. So basically, we're gonna have to follow all of the steps that are stated right here at the top. We're gonna select a channel first, so you can select the channel type. You can verify any account from your selected channel or other channels that we've provided to maximize your earning. The highest impact account is recommended. So for this one, you can also just for this one, these are the groups that are created on apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook. So basically, you're going to have to share it to them. And then for the coupons and deal sites, you can operate websites or apps that aggregate and publish discount offers and promo codes. We're going to choose this one. And then from here, you're going to select the coupon or deal site. So we're going to do referralcodes.com. And then from there, you're going to hit on next. We're just going to click on I confirm that I have reviewed and understood the Temu affiliate policy to make sure that you currently understand their policies and rules, and then you're going to click on next after that. Now, once you're done with choosing, you're going to enter your email right here, and then you're going to hit on submit. Now, you're going to have to verify your email by entering the 6-digit email verification code that has been sent to your email. Now, after that, you are now a part of the Temu affiliate program and can start adding in your or sharing your links and coupons and deals. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have more questions, please comment them down below. And if you need more tutorials, then you can just head over to our channel to look for more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.